All right, I am back working on this Samsung French door refrigerator, and this is part 3 or part 4 of my video. I'm not sure, but we found this in the last video by pulling up the back wall. I was thinking that this goes to the refrigerator and this goes to the freezer. Honestly, I'm not quite sure which one it goes to, but you can actually see a small little leak. Right, come on, focus. Can you see that? See that little bitty leak right there? Put some bubbles on it. I've got my gas leak bubble stuff. We're gonna put a little bit of that on there and see if we can get the bubble. Yeah, there we go. I see bubbles. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's leaking. It's leaking Freon right there. Yeah, let's see. There goes a little bit of bubbles. See if we can focus. Maybe zoom in a little bit. Turn on my other light. It's leaking. Let me check the rest of this right quick. I'm pretty surprised it's not leaking right there. I mean, it could be, but golly, it's definitely leaking good up here. That ain't no good, Samsung. That ain't no good. Alright, so, yeah. I'm probably going to run copper. I'm going to try to run copper. Maybe that's aluminum. I'm going to run copper from that filter dryer on up. Maybe past this. I don't know if this is the same tube or not, but we got to get past that bad stuff. So I'll take out the we're going to take out the Freon and put it in that tank over there just to make the EPA happy. And then we're gonna get to brazing, doing some brazing, bypass all that and fix her up. All right, till next time.